How to send from Wise to PayPal. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Since there is no any direct way to send the money from your Wise to your PayPal, you can use a workaround method. Firstly, transfer the fund into a linked bank account. You can actually link the same bank in your PayPal as well as your Wise. Then, you can go ahead and send the money from your Wise to the designated bank account. After which, now to further add the money to your PayPal, go ahead and click on the Add Money option. After which, you can either link to your bank account or the credit card that is linked to your bank account. That is how you'll be able to add fund or transfer money from Wise to PayPal. It is a workaround, but it definitely works. Also note that there may involve additional fees or processing time. It's always best to check Wise fees and terms of service for the most up-to-date information. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.